The drone world has been buzzing with excitement, and for good reason. The long-awaited DJI Mini 5 Pro is finally on the horizon, and leaks are spilling details faster than ever before. DJI, the industry leader in consumer drones, has consistently raised the bar with every iteration of its Mini lineup, and now, in 2025, it looks like the company is ready to unleash its most powerful compact drone yet. From early leaked images to confirmed launch dates, specifications, and pricing details, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a groundbreaking release. If you've been holding out for the next big leap in drone technology, buckle up, here's everything we know about this highly anticipated aircraft. The hype begins, a leak that changed everything. The excitement truly kicked off when well-known drone leaker Igor Bogdanov dropped what many are calling the first jaw-dropping leak of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. He posted an image that immediately set the drone community ablaze. The photo showed a design that looked sleek, futuristic, and unapologetically professional. This wasn't just another compact drone. The leaked image made it clear that DJI was doubling down on power, performance, and professional-grade imaging while still keeping the weight under 249 grams. The critical threshold that allows pilots in most countries to skip the hassle of registering their drone with aviation authorities. As soon as the photo hit the web, forums, YouTube channels, and social media exploded with speculation. Could DJI really pack this much capability into such a tiny package? Key features revealed according to the leaks. The DJI Mini 5 Pro will come packed with features that rival larger, heavier, and far more expensive drones. Here are some of the most exciting highlights. 1. A 1-inch camera sensor. Only of the biggest upgrades is the inclusion of a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is a massive leap for the Mini series. With around 20 megapixels of resolution, pilots will be able to capture incredibly detailed stills and record 4K video at 120 frames per second with HDR support. This means stunning slow-motion aerial footage and improved performance in low-light conditions. 2. 3-axis gimbal for smooth shots. As expected, the camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring that footage remains silky smooth even in windy conditions. Paired with DJI's advanced stabilization algorithms, this drone promises cinema-quality video in a package that can fit in your backpack. 3. 52 minutes of flight time. Battery life has always been a limitation for drone pilots, but DJI is reportedly shattering expectations with the Mini 5 Pro. The new Intelligent Flight Plus battery is said to deliver up to 52 minutes of airtime per charge, nearly an hour in the sky. That's longer than any previous Mini drone and significantly ahead of many competitors. 4. 360 obstacle avoidance with LiDAR. For the first time in the Mini lineup, we're getting omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Thanks to integrated LiDAR sensors, the Mini 5 Pro can detect obstacles in every direction, making it safer and smarter to fly, even in complex environments. 5. Dual lens setup. Another exciting leak revealed two lenses, a 24mm f1.8 wide lens for sweeping landscapes, a 48mm medium telephoto lens for cinematic close-ups. This dual lens design adds versatility, allowing pilots to switch between epic wide shots and tighter, more dramatic frames without changing drones. To fly more combos. Igor's leaks also confirmed that DJI will be offering to fly more combo kits. Both versions come with extra propellers, multiple intelligent flight batteries, a charging hub, ND filters, and a sleek carrying bag. The difference lies in the controller. 1. Combo 1 includes the classic DJI RC controller, which requires a smartphone to serve as the display. 2. Combo 2 ships with DJI's RC controller, a pro-level option that comes with a built-in screen. This eliminates the need to juggle your phone, giving pilots a smoother, more focused flying experience straight out of the box. The packaging leak even hints at a Fly More combo that includes 3 batteries, each offering up to 52 minutes of flight. That's more than 2.5 hours of potential airtime before needing to recharge, a game-changer for serious creators. Accessories, practical and creator-focused. DJI hasn't overlooked the accessories either. The Mini 5 Pro will reportedly support a wide range of add-ons designed to make the pilot's life easier and their footage better. Clip-on propellers, a welcome return of the old click-on design, eliminating the need for screwdrivers after a crash. ND filters for the 1-inch sensor, ranging from ND8 to ND128. These filters will allow creators to achieve truly cinematic shots by controlling exposure and motion blur. Affordable extras. Propellers priced around $19 and batteries at $99 make it relatively easy to expand your kit without breaking the bank. The official launch timeline. Perhaps the most important detail is the release schedule. According to multiple reliable sources, the official announcement is expected on September 16, 2025. The global release date is set for September 18, 2025. Chinese sources have confirmed that blind pre-orders are already underway, with demand reportedly overwhelming supply. Posters and teaser images have surfaced online, confirming the look of the drone and fueling the hype train. Pricing details based on supplier codes and leaks. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch at the following price points. Base model $799, $850 Fly More combo with RC2. Around $1,099 Fly More combo with RC to screen controller. $1,399 given the technology packed into this sub-249-gram aircraft. Many enthusiasts consider this pricing very competitive. Accessories are reasonably priced as well, making it easy for creators to build a full kit without astronomical costs. Availability in the United States. While FCC filings confirmed that DJI has registered the Mini 5 Pro for release in the US, availability could face some hurdles. Import restrictions linked to the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act UFLPA have slowed down shipments for many tech products. Major retailers such as Best Buy and B&H Photo have already reported logistical challenges. That said, DJI has stated it has no plans to exit the US market, meaning American buyers should still expect to get their hands on the drone. If customs delays are resolved quickly, the US release will likely align with the global mid-September launch. Comparisons with previous models to appreciate just how far the Mini 5 Pro has come, it's worth looking back. DJI Mini to broad affordability and ease of use. DJI Mini 3 Pro introduced 4K video, improved obstacle sensors, and extended flight time. DJI Mini 4 Pro refined those upgrades with more stability and modest performance bumps. But the Mini 5 Pro looks like the true generational leap. With a 1-inch sensor, dual lenses, nearly an hour of flight, and LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, this is not just an incremental improvement. It's a redefinition of what a sub-249-gram drone can achieve. Why this drone matters for casual pilots. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is appealing because it remains lightweight and registration-free in most countries. For professionals, it offers features once reserved for larger and far more expensive drones. The combination of portability, affordability, and pro-level imaging makes it incredibly versatile. Creators can now carry a professional-grade aerial camera that fits in a small bag, avoids legal hurdles, and can fly longer and safer than ever before. This opens new possibilities for travel filmmakers, vloggers, real estate professionals, and anyone looking to tell a story from the sky. The DJI Osmo Action 6 connection. Interestingly, the Mini 5 Pro isn't the only DJI product making waves in 2025. Leaks also suggest that the DJI Osmo Action 6 camera is on its way later this year. According to sources, the Action 6 model AC006 will be compatible with DJI's 300 USB-C charger, operate in temperatures ranging from -20°C to 45°C, offer Wi-Fi 800 to 0.11 GHz and AC DAC support across multiple frequency bands, include Bluetooth 5 for stable to 0.4 GHz connections. With DJI making big moves in both drones and action cameras, 2025 is shaping up to be a landmark year for creators and hobbyists alike. Final thoughts. DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases in years. With its confirmed September 18, 2025 launch date, competitive pricing, and professional-grade features packed into a lightweight body, it has the potential to redefine the compact drone market. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist looking for fun flights or a professional creator chasing cinematic aerials, the Mini 5 Pro promises to deliver on all fronts. From its 1-inch sensor to its industry-leading 52-minute flight time, DJI has clearly listened to its fans and critics alike. So mark your calendars, because mid-September 2025 could very well be remembered as the moment DJI changed the game again. The hype is real, and this time, it looks entirely justified.